Do you think hat hooks in 2026 are overrated? Think about it. Let me know in the comment section. I'm gonna open up some new pickups and we could chop it up about hat inspirations. This winter in New York has been brutal. I have not been able to get off as many fit pics as I've been really wanting to. And I hope the weather switches up soon because there's a lot of hats that I really wanna wear. A lot of fits that I really wanna get off. So hopefully the weather switches up. Nice little set of hats that I picked up. That's my receipt, don't need that. So this is a New York Mets hat inspired by the New York Met, which is a museum out here in New York if you are unfamiliar. Let's take a look at this. You got Vegas gold on the crown, dark red button on top, brown visor. I actually went to an arts high school, and one of the things that was required of us was every Thursday we went on a field trip. And because it was an arts high school, as you can imagine, a lot of those Thursdays were spent at the museum. And because there's only so many museums in New York, we do have a lot, but we did frequent the same ones a bunch of times. That being said, I am very familiar with the Met. Let's get into that tricolor Mets front logo. On the inside, it's kind of like a cinnamon red metallic threading. On the outline, there is a flat red, and for the shadow or the greater outline, right over here, it's a copper metallic. So real calm front logo. It's not doing too much, not too flashy, but it does sit nicely on that Vegas gold crown, and it accents the dark red button really well. A few different colors in that side patch that you really got to pay attention to. So you have metallic green on this side, copper on the opposite side. Then of course there's red on the threading. There's some white in there, kind of like a pale yellow in there as well over on this side. And there's also a pink threading in there. Hopefully the camera is picking that up. Some interesting design choices, nice color placement. It's a nice patch. Flat batterment on the back, metallic green on one side, copper in the opposite corner, metallic red in the middle. There are a lot of metallics on this one, but they're used pretty tastefully in my opinion. Green UV, black sweatband, just a real nice Mets hat inspired by the New York Met. And it is an inspiration that I haven't seen before, which I will say, and I have said before, I think in my predictions video, is something that I want to see is more hat hooks or hat inspirations from things that we haven't seen before. Like there's so much stuff out there and people have so many hobbies outside of hats that there could be some really interesting inspirations infused into this community. Now we're gonna move on to something a little bit more colorful. Y'all know I love the colors. I love a bold hat. And this right here hits all of those check marks. So we have a New York Yankees inspired by the infamous Grail fashion item, the Polo Ralph Lauren Snow Beach jacket. If you're into hip hop, fashion, streetwear, you know the jacket I'm talking about. But just in case, you know, it's slipping your mind, I will go ahead and throw a picture of it on the screen. That is like at the intersection of all things, in my opinion. It's a very popular piece. Now, I do think there have been other hats inspired by the Snow Beach jacket, but in my opinion, this is one of the best executed ones that I've seen that made me think, yeah, I need that. I need that in the collection. So let's go ahead and take a better look at the crown. You have red, yellow, green, navy blue, some more yellow, purple where the patch is, lots of colors on that crown. So of course, white Yankees front logo, keeping it clean, green button on top, and also get into that contrast stitching on the panels. The stitching is green. A lot of the same colors worked into the side patch. So you have some yellow, of course, red on the outline, green and navy, and of course some black and white to kind of break things up. Very nicely done. Expert color placement. Shout out to Freddie. American flag patch where the batterman would be, and that has a gold outline on it. That is something I don't have in my collection. And like I'm always telling y'all, I want to cop stuff that I don't have. So that is one small reason why I picked this up. Purple New Era flag. It looks real nice against the green. Green visor because I don't think I mentioned it before. Gray UV black sweatband. I'm big into streetwear, and Polo Ralph Lauren, because I know someone's gonna correct me, Polo Ralph Lauren have been like intimately tied for years. Polo Ralph Lauren is a big part of streetwear history and vice versa. I think streetwear has also impacted polo. So I will say hooks that make me nostalgic, hooks for things that I already like do pique my interest, but it doesn't make me buy a hat. I've never bought a bad hat or a hat that I didn't like because of the hook. The hat has to already be good. The hook is just like the cherry on top. This next hat is the second half of this date night duo. So these two hats were created together. I don't really remember the hook for this one. I think it's like a bar or a brewery or something like that. And I feel like that goes to show what I was just talking about, where the inspiration might be personal to the designer. It doesn't have to have like a mass nostalgia or influence on a wide group of people. It could just be something that's important to that particular designer. There's also another reason why I picked this up in particular, but I'll talk about that in a second. Let's get into the details. So we have pine green on the crown, I believe that's what that is, teal button on top, forest green on the visor. So very nice color choices. And it's reminiscent of that hat that was inspired by The Ring from like the early first or second horror pack. That hat went crazy. But I remember, I think it was like a Seattle Mariners with the Compass logo. And I don't collect the Compass logo. So I was always like, dang, great colorway, but I just don't collect that front logo. And I know Hat Club and Postman brought it back with, I believe, the Block S logo. But at that point, I was looking at other hats in that pack, so I didn't cop it then either. And this kind of reminded me of that color scheme. And I was like, yeah, I'm not gonna let that slide again. So I needed like a pine green crown in the collection that had that color scheme going on with the teal. Needed that. The Yankees front logo was kind of like a seashell, off-white tan color. Lots of contrasting colors going on in that side patch. We have gold on the outline, silver on the inside of the 1999, red and blue in the background, dark green on the World Series text, black, of course, to kind of break some things up. A lot going on, but it does come together nicely in my opinion. Flat batterman on the back, gold on one side, green in the opposite corner, and more of that seashell sail color in the middle. Tonal New Era flag, so it matches the crown. Gray UV black sweatband. So I don't think that hat hooks are overrated, because if you think about it like this, you don't have to care about the inspiration. All you really have to care about is the hat. Do you like the hat or not? Personally, I like the added storytelling that goes into the hooks and the inspirations because I'm a big details person. So if there is a reason why the designer chose a gray UV, yellow UV, pink stitching, iris stitching, I want to know those things. I want to know what they were thinking or what they were translating over to the design. I'm interested in all of that, but that doesn't mean that everybody has to be interested, and I respect that. So where I stand, no, hat hooks are not overrated. Would I like to see more diverse hat hooks? Absolutely. I think there's like tons of movies out there that can make great hat hooks, tons of places out there. Like there's just so many things out there that can be referenced and reworked. So I look forward to all of it. But you let me know your thoughts in the comment section. As always, if you enjoyed today's video, like, comment, subscribe, show us more YouTubers some love. I really appreciate it. And I will check y'all out in the next video.